The rhinoceros, often called a rhino, is a large, thick-skinned herbivore known for its impressive horn and prehistoric appearance. Found primarily in Africa and parts of Asia, rhinos are solitary animals that spend much of their time grazing on grasses or browsing shrubs. Despite their size and strength, all 5 species of rhinos are threatened by habitat loss and poaching, making them a symbol of urgent wildlife conservation efforts. There are 5 species of rhinoceros: the white rhino and black rhino from Africa, and the Indian, Javan, and Sumatran rhinos from Asia. Each species has unique features. White rhinos are the largest and have a wide mouth for grazing, while black rhinos are smaller with a hooked lip for browsing. The Indian rhino has a single horn and armor-like skin, whereas the Javan and Sumatran rhinos are the most endangered, with very few individuals left in the wild. Conservation efforts are critical to protect all these species from extinction. Rhinos have a relatively long lifespan, living up to 35 to 50 years in the wild, depending on the species. In protected environments like zoos or wildlife reserves, they can sometimes live even longer due to better care and the absence of predators. Factors such as poaching, habitat loss, and disease can impact their lifespan in the wild. With proper conservation, rhinos have the potential to live long and healthy lives. Rhino pregnancies are among the longest in the animal kingdom, lasting about 15 to 16 months depending on the species. During this time, the mother carries a single calf, which is born well developed and ready to follow her shortly after birth. After giving birth, a mother rhino typically waits 2 to 4 years before having another calf, ensuring she can provide proper care and protection for her young calf. Adult rhinos have very few natural predators due to their large size and tough skin. However, young or weak rhinos can fall prey to big cats like lions or tigers, as well as crocodiles and hyenas in some regions. The most dangerous predator to rhinos is human beings, mainly due to poaching for their horns and destruction of their habitats. Conservation efforts focus on protecting rhinos from these human threats to ensure their survival. A rhino may charge when it feels threatened, startled, or is protecting its territory or calf. Despite their bulky size, rhinos can run at speeds up to 30 to 35 miles per hour, making their charge powerful and potentially dangerous. They often lower their head and aim their horn at the perceived threat. While sometimes a charge is a bluff, it is advisable to keep a safe distance and avoid sudden movements around rhinos in the wild. What makes rhinos unique is their thick armor-like skin and iconic horns made of keratin, the same material as human nails. They have poor eyesight but an excellent sense of smell and hearing. Each species has distinct features, like the wide mouth of the white rhino or the hairy body of the Sumatran rhino. Their ancient, dinosaur-like appearance and powerful presence make them one of the most fascinating and easily recognizable animals on Earth. Human beings can learn resilience and determination from rhinos. Despite facing numerous threats, including poaching and habitat loss, they continue to survive in harsh environments, showing strength and perseverance. Rhinos also teach the importance of protecting our planet's biodiversity. Just as these creatures rely on a healthy ecosystem, so too do human beings. Their quiet, solitary nature reminds us of the value of patience, and their role in maintaining balance in nature underscores the significance of conservation efforts.